Gutter Dunn is a family-owned business. It started with my son and then my wife. She even installed Eavestroughs.
My name is Trent, and I'm happy to be working for the Gutter Dunn family since 2016. Started off as just a family business, but we have currently 3 trucks running, 8 employees installing, got 2 estimators, and in the office is a couple girls that take care of all the business end.
I have a client that had a big problem. His Eavestroughs were sagging. They were all plugged up. We installed it, Alu-Rex on top of it, and he just walked around and cleaned his Eavestrough very easy, and he was very happy. DoublePro has a warranty that is a lifetime warranty. It will not clog, it will not plug. DoublePro in your Eavestroughs, it will cover you for lifetime and you'll never have a problem. So now is your time to get your DoublePro. Get her done, Gutter Dunn.